for airplane flying so high. B for bear, it's strong and sly. C for camel with a hump so high. D for dolphin swimming by. E for eagle soaring in the sky. F for frog who can leap so high. G for guitar with strings to play. H for horse running all day. I for igloo where it's cold and white. J for jaguar with a speedy sight. K for kangaroo, the pouch so neat. L for lighthouse guiding fleets. M for mountain tall and steep. N for nest where birds sleep. O for owl who hoots at night. P for peacock with color so bright. Q for quail, a bird so small. R for rainbow with colors for all. S for sun shining bright and warm. T for tractor helping on the farm. U for umbrella for the rainy day. V for volcano erupting away. W for whale, the giant of the sea. X for xylophone, play it with glee. Y for yacht sailing on the waves. Z for zebra with stripes so brave.
Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.